All right, so I had a lot of extra, well, not a lot, but about a cup and a fourth, I guess, or a cup and a third, more cup and a third left of pumpkin pie filling that I made from scratch from a couple of pumpkins yesterday. So was trying to figure out what to do with the rest of it, and I suggested, well, no, I let my kids know that we could try pumpkin pancakes. And Sam jumped up and down like a crazy person. So that's what we're going to try tonight, is pumpkin pancakes. So here's my ingredients. I have my pumpkin pie filling. That's already been spiced and seasoned. Again, because I use it for my pumpkin pie. So that is already done. Pancake mix, milk, oil, and egg. And then I will be cooking this in a, you can't see it right now, but in a cast iron skillet. All right, and I've never been a person for measuring. It's just not what we do a lot of with some stuff. So I kind of just usually make what looks right and what seems right for how many pancakes I need to make for 4 children. And if it's breakfast and my husband's here, well, also for me, and then plus if my husband's here, then we also have to make enough for him as well. So I'll pour a little splash of oil. I'll crack my egg in there. I'm going to save my egg because I save my eggs for fertilizer. So I'm just going to pour some milk in there to get it started. I'm making regular, and this is basically how it says to make it on the box. So that is normal, but then I'm going to put in some of my pumpkin filling once this is mixed up. And again, we've never tried this before. This is new. I haven't even looked at a recipe for this, but anything we do anyway, we usually take it and make it our own in my family, so nothing new there. So I'm going to mix this up real good, and I'll be back when it's time to put the pumpkin puree inside. Okay, so we're back. So I got my pancake batter mixed up here. And the pancake one that I use is the original, so it's not that just add water ones, they drive me nuts. So we put egg and the oil and milk in this one. And that's the Aunt Jemima original mix. So that's what I use for pancake mix. All right, so I'm not gonna pour this whole thing in here. I'm just gonna use some of it. And truth be told, I could use just a little bit of it and still have enough for a pie. So I'm just gonna pour some of that in there. It's nice and thick, yummy looking. All right, let's stop there for a minute. I'm just gonna mix that in. You can see it's starting to mix through. All right, so I'm still mixing this in a little bit just to make sure it's well in there. I don't want to do too much. I mean, this is probably enough because we don't want it to be over the pumpkin. Maybe a drop more. But now I probably won't be able to use this for pie, so I can make something else with it because we used more than I was thinking. But that's okay. Mixing that in. Hi, Cyrus. What are you doing? Mommy's making pancakes. That's what's for dinner. Yeah, by the way, it's dinner time. For dinner. All right, so there we go. So I'm just gonna grab my brownie mixer, not mixer, but my brownie dispenser. Hold on, let me get the stove on. Okay. This is how we get nice circle pancakes. I feel like it comes out much nicer this way. So I like to use this. Not a requirement at all. Not a requirement at all. So it's just a little bit left in there, which I'll just fill in as we go along. Alright, so I'm going to wait for my pan to get hot here. Once that's done, I'll come back again and continue on. Alright, be right back. Okay, so we're back. So my grease is nice and hot here. Just going to make sure the oil is ready to go. So I'm just going to go here and my daughters, they said they want the mini ones. So I'm just going to do little small bite-sized pancakes. I have Sydney, my 9-year-old, she likes to dip her pancakes. Sometimes they get bigger than I want it. But these are fun. And these are good too for my son, who's 1, who doesn't, like if I'm feeding him, I'll give him syrup. But he can just eat these like with little bites. Pick it up and bite it. And have them right in the side chair. So those are really cool for that way too. So this one, cook them just like normal pancakes. Let them fry. Once they start forming bubbles, I'll flip them over. We don't like our pancakes too dark. We like them just a little on the lighter side. Let's see, the bubbles are starting around the sides. So they'll get done really quickly. Make sure that's on too. Also, I like to cook them fast if I can cook them nice and slow. So I'll just do a few here and then so you get the gist of it, and then we'll come back with the finished product and the reveal on what their expressions are when they eat them. And we'll see how that tastes. Well, I got a feeling they're going to be good. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. So it's got a nice edge, kind of like a little crispy edge. Nice and tan in the middle. I don't want to get too cooked. I need a smaller spatula. Keith saying I'm going to get one. These are good, but they're so wide. And the only other small one I have is a red one, silicone, but it seems to it's very slippery, so things slide off of it. It's kind of crazy. I'll give it a try, though, just in case it works for me. That's some right here. These look good. Sam is cheesing. She's looking excited. She's making a whole bunch of ugly faces. That doesn't mean that she's not excited for it. It's like ugly faces that she's just weird. Making crazy faces. Camera Sam behind the camera. Alright. So that's pretty much done. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put these out. Now while I'm cooking these, I put these in a, I'm going through it. I put these in a tin pan so that they can go in the oven, which is right now just heating up on 350 to get warm. Hi, Silas. It's heating up to get warm, and then I'll keep them warm in the oven that way. Alright, so that's it. So I'll keep doing these while they're, hold on, Silas. I'll keep doing these, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished reveal. Okay, be back. Spencer, is it good? You like it? Okay, give Silas his. He's like, gimme. I don't want it to cool off some.
You like it? That's great. That's great. Amen.
Amen. Good girl.
Thank you, Mommy.
All right, you're welcome, Spencer.
It's so good.
It's so good.
It literally tastes
Look
like
at this one here.
Oh, it is good. It tastes
is.
like a regular pancake, but better because it tastes like pumpkin at the same time.
all the spices in it.
See, there's my dipper. So it's a hit. And here's my regular size ones that I made for me. I ain't got time for no little pancakes. Silas, is it good? Is it good? Oh, you dance. It must be really good. You like it? Is it good?
Say yes.
Silas, is it good? You like it? Yeah. Fantastic. All right, so I'm gonna get my syrup on and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and like the video. Stay tuned for more.